Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode and explain all of its properties on your Realme GT2 Pro, but it also works the same way on normal Realme GT2. So in order to do that, we'll need to go to our settings and then find sound and vibration, and from here go to Do Not Disturb and enable it right here. The next option to enable it is to scroll down our toolbar, scroll down again, and from here find Do Not Disturb. If you added it to your toolbar list, it might be in a different place for you than it's for me, and for me it's located right here, and we can enable it like that. So now let's go back to our actual settings, disable the mode and start customizing it. So the first thing is to go to schedules, and you can add, delete, just adjust your schedules however you want. So you can add, for example, let's just make new one and create sleeping one, because I think that's the most basic function for our Do Not Disturb mode, as to use it when we're sleeping. So it will automatically start our Do Not Disturb mode. Let's establish that it's DND for now. It will start our DND mode on 22 and end at 7 next morning, and then let's repeat it every day. So I've just added and enabled this schedule, and right now it will work as I mentioned. It will start at 22 and at 7 at morning, and it will repeat every day. That's pretty nice to have. Now the next option is to allow notifications, and from here you can customize how notifications are gonna come to your phone when you have the DND mode enabled. So the first one is notification drawer and other notification tabs, and when it's turned off, system notification will still be displayed. So just disable that and you won't get any app notifications, and if you enable it you can customize how notifications are gonna go on your phone. You can enable them in status bar, banners. You can change it from lock screen notifications do not wake to lock screen notifications wake screen and do not allow, and that says for itself, as if you change to, for example, lock screen notification wake screen, you will get notification, then your screen will just light up. So let's do not allow that for now. You can also enable edge lighting or notification badges. Let's go back and go for messages. So you can allow messages from, and you can select anyone. That means that everybody who messages you will be able to get messages sent for you, and you will receive them, and it will make the sound and everything. If you press contacts only your contacts will be able to reach you. If you take start contacts only, there will be only your friend list, like favorite contacts. So let's pick no one for now and go for the calls. It's basically the same as messages, so let's pick no one. And from here you can also enable ring for repeated callers, so if somebody tries to reach you within 3 minutes multiple times, your phone will ring as normally. Now the last option is to mute media when Do Not Disturb is enabled, and that also speaks for itself. So you can enable or disable that if you want to mute media when you're in Do Not Disturb mode. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.